Hi, this is Mallory with R2 Tech. We have a Dallas client hiring a mobile automation quality assurance tester. This manufacturing company builds web and mobile products for various consumer products. You will impact the company by performing QA automation testing for mobile products, utilizing Selenium, Appium, and SourceLabs Cloud testing for products, executing the QA testing strategy and plans following the approved software development and testing methodology, partner with developers, DevOps engineers, and QA testing, Selenium, Java, and CI/CD integrations, modernizing server platform architectures using Microsoft Azure DevOps and API service automation processes, and as a Senior QA Liaison between the US QA team and the Offshore team. If you have over 7+ years of professional IT experience, 2+ years of mobile QA testing, and 2+ years Java Selenium testing, please contact me. Feel free to forward this link to anyone who may be of interest. To find out more about this position and other jobs, send your resume to trussell@r2now.com. I'll talk to you soon.